Hey guys and gals, hope you're well and welcome to the brand new update on Bitcoin, and you're watching Moon 333. The information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice and do your own research as well. In my previous video and articles, we have seen that the price action of the Bitcoin was struggling at the support, which was previously playing the role as resistance for the price action, and the price action has already broken down that resistance, and this time the price action is retesting that support. And before that, the price action broke out the previous resistance of $8,314 and retraced back and retested that support successfully and moved up and broke out the next resistance level at $9,819.92 and retraced back, and now it is retesting the next resistance as a support. Yesterday, we have seen that the Bitcoin hit the spike up to $9,467.57 as per Bitstamp exchange. But so far, the price action is not able to break down this support, which was previously playing the role as a resistance for the price action. And still, we don't have even a single candlestick which is closed below this support level. And there is a significant signal that the volume is in negative now. The volume oscillator is in negative now, which is showing that the power of sell-off is not as much as we require to break down this support level. But however, there is sell-off in the market, and there is possibility that the price action will cross down this support level or break down this support level soon. But there are some positive indications as well, like we have seen in my previous video already, that the price action has formed an up channel, and this up channel is very much synchronized with MACD and stochastic indicators. For example, especially in the upward moves, we can see whenever the price action is hitting at the support of the channel and the MACD is turning bullish and the stochastic is giving bull cross, the price action always moves up and hit the upper resistance of the channel. And on the second turn, we can also see when the price action hit at the support of this channel and the MACD turned strong bullish. First it was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and after that it was turned strong bullish, and you can see the price action hit at the resistance of this channel, and at that time the stochastic also gave the bull cross. It was not oversold, but it has given bull cross. And this time, we can see the price action is again hitting at the support. This is the second hit. First hit was yesterday when the Bitcoin went up to $9,467, and today it's again hitting at the support. But so far, the MACD is strong bearish, and stochastic is also strong bearish. This is a bit alarming situation, but once the MACD will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and we will have some bull cross from the stochastic, and the price action will be above this support of this channel, then there will be possibility that the price action will move up again like it has been doing in the past history of this channel, and it will hit the upper resistance of the channel. That is exactly at the next resistance level, which is at $10,940. This is our next price level, resistance level as well, and this is the same price level is our next resistance level of the channel as well. And previously, in my previous video and articles, I have shown you that the Bitcoin on the smaller time period chart, on 4-hour chart, the Bitcoin formed a bullish bad pattern, and I was expecting that it will take the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone. But the Bitcoin, or bears of the Bitcoin, they have extended the leg of the price action, and we can see that now the price action is retraced. First, it was retraced from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and now it is retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So this pattern is changed from bat to crab pattern now. And this is the potential reversal zone of bullish crab pattern. And from here, the price action was supposed to take the bullish divergence, and the price action did it. If I'll place the Fibonacci retracement tool here, then we can see that after hitting the spike in this potential reversal zone, the price action moved up, and so far it has hit between 0.38 to 0.786 Fibonacci level where it was supposed to go. But still, I have hope that if, for example, it will again move down or again have another dip to enter in the potential reversal zone, then it will move up again, because uh, it is also at the support of the channel, which is very strong and not broken so far. And once the MACD will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, or it will be turned bullish, and we will receive a bull cross from this stochastic indicator or oscillator, then there will be more chances that the price action will move up to hit the next resistance level of the channel, and also the price level resistance at $10,940. And so far we have these three hopes, like for example, the volume oscillator is not triggered so far. Once it will be triggered in the favor of bears, then definitely the price action can break down this support and move to the previous support of $8,314. And we have a support of the channel, and we have a formation on a small time period chart, the formation of bullish crab pattern, and we have a potential reversals on support from this pattern. So once the price action will be able to will be successful to retest this support, which is the previous resistance, then it can move up to the next resistance level at $10,940. This resistance level is very strong because this resistance was not broken since August 2019, and we can see here there are several attempts by the price action, but but the price action was not able to break out this resistance level. And after that, we'll have the next resistance level at $12,061, and this resistance level was also not broken since August 2019. And after that, our next resistance level will be the fourth resistance level will be $13,200, which is also not broken since June 2019. So that's all for now, and this was the update from the Bitcoin price action so far. I'll keep posting more videos on it when I'll receive the more developments from the price action of the Bitcoin. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.